Hey, it's Mike and John from PumaPlow.com playing some Halo 4
SWAT!
strictly as a test
So, this is a test of the emergency alert system. No,
of our new audio
yeah, we're using
configuration.
some microphones and a mixer right now. How's
So-
it sound?
If we sound bad, it's all John's fault.
Well, if it sounds really, really bad, I'm not going to put it out, so.
Well, there's that. And we decided to play some Halo 4 because...
I died.
Well, why not?
Yeah. So, you know, a little Halo action for you.
Sure.
Bonus video on Wednesday here.
Bonus video.
Bonus video Wednesday.
I just got plucked out of midair.
I watched that, actually. You were in front of me.
That was awesome.
So, yeah, how's it sound? Let us know in the comments.
Hey, we're getting smoked.
Do you like it? Do you? Surprisingly, it really didn't take us that long to set it up either, so.
Just 5 hours.
But yeah, we used a 5-hour energy first.
And that's why we're tired, because they wore off.
I was just tired to begin
Whoa.
with. I don't like this map, by the way.
Okay.
Damn it, I died again.
Me too.
This video is going to have a lot of cuts.
Is that what it is?
Because every time one of us dies, we just cut to the other person.
My God.
So, yeah.
It's so bad I haven't even seen an enemy yet, but I've died 3 times.
I just died again.
So,
That's great. I don't... never mind. Don't like this map.
I think the other team's actually invisible.
Is that what it is?
Yes.
They're invisible manta rays.
Yes.
I hate, those are the worst kind. Just saying. So, yeah. Oh, hey. Missed that guy.
Damn it. Thought I actually had a guy there.
So, do you hate SWAT again? No?
It's my relationship with all first-person shooters, really. It's
Yeah,
not
pretty
SWAT.
much. Yeah.
It's not Halo.
Yeah.
It's all of them.
So, this video is going to come out before, July. If it comes out at all.
Right?
So, what days are we live streaming?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
June 30th,
Yes.
July 1st,
Yes.
July 2nd, July 3rd,
Oh, that one's not been announced before.
allegedly,
No, we will.
and July 5th.
Yes.
Every day at 3 o'clock.
It's set for July 3rd.
Except maybe July 3rd. It'll be a little bit later.
Yeah.
So, other than that, every day at 3 o'clock. So, be there.
Central.
Central Daylight Time.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're gonna play some different games.
We're going to play lots of different games, actually.
One day, I'm gonna go for the 40 wave achievement in Plants vs Zombies.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. The
'Cause
original
I need that achievement
Plants
still.
vs. Zombies, yeah.
That would 100% the game for me.
Yeah, your son actually got that game, or that achievement for me.
Right.
So,
Little bastard, you
Thanks,
didn't get
Brett.
it for me. How rude.
shout out to Brett.
Yeah, totes.
So, yeah.
I'm getting owned.
Yeah. Join
Like-
the club.
It's not even funny how bad I'm doing. My God.
I'm too nervous and looking at the laptop to make sure the audio is all right,
Right.
and I'm not actually playing very good. So,
I'm just getting pwned with a capital P.
wow,
That's how bad it is over here.
that's pretty bad. Yeah.
And I'm trying.
Yeah. Got you, son of a bitch. Pardon my French.
Oui, je parlez-vous français. Wait, what?
Wait, do these microphones pick up French?
No.
Oh. Good. Wouldn't it be cool if the microphone would automatically cut out cussing?
You.
Wouldn't that be cool?
That'd be pretty neat.
So you could just cuss like crazy and it would just automatically cut all of it out.
I got an assist.
Did you?
Yeah.
It's cool.
I should have had the kill, but the guy stole it.
I'm going to go ahead and say on the first time on the new microphones,
Yep.
that was dope.
No. I think it's ill.
Something like that.
That's what the kids tell me.
These damn kids, man, they just
I know, right?
crazy with their verbiage these
Right?
days. Yeah. And it's cool because we can hear each other in our headsets.
Yeah, I'm struggling with that, honestly.
Why?
I just can't. I don't know. It's weird.
Is it not enough or too
I think
much?
it's too low.
Too low?
Yeah, I think so.
I can't turn it up anymore.
Oh. Well, that's a problem.
Yeah, we might have to get some microphone or headphone mixers.
Okay.
Ever seen those?
No.
It's where you run like 2 headphone signals, and then you can like each signal would have a volume knob,
Okay.
and you can adjust it. They're real cheap, like $10.
Huh.
So Mike has taken his headset off.
And I died again, shockingly.
Yeah. So.
Wow.
Yeah.
Can this game be over?
I know, right?
This is my warm-up game, see?
This is our first game we're playing. I just got a double kill. Or no, I didn't. Never mind. I lied. I'm a liar.
I don't want to be the last kill.
Well, I wasn't.
Be back in a second with game 2. Round 2.
Fight.
Shoot. We're Covenant?
Wait, what? Who picked this?
Uh,
I may have voted for it, but I didn't want to.
So I figured out my audio problem.
Did you?
Yeah, it's amazing when you turn things up,
Whoa, it is.
right?
I just turned it up a little bit as well.
I can like hear you in my head,
That's amazing. That's so much better.
and
The slight delay is messing with me, though.
I know it's like a Jesus.
It's just like a smidge,
Yeah,
but it's enough that's kind of weird. But I think I'll get used to that.
but I can at least hear you now
I just got a hone.
and hear myself.
Yeah.
I can hear myself getting shot way better this way,
All right.
right?
The only game that this won't work for is Farming Simulator because we have to turn that game down so much with our headsets. So we might have to adjust Farming Simulator some more, like turn it down more
Right,
in the settings of the game.
right.
So yeah. Good God. I just walk upstairs and get owned.
So my goal, oh God, my goal is to get a kill this game.
You didn't get one last game?
0-13.
Wow.
I've been doing a lot better in Halo, and just not tonight.
Yeah, it's because Daniel the intern was here with us normally.
And Josh.
Yes.
Josh the intern.
Look for him soon on videos.
Coming soon to a video near you.
Or, a live stream.
Whatever. Details, right?
Yeah, we're hoping to have him in the first week of July.
From Parts Unknown. There
That's
we
right.
go. I got a kill. And then
They
I died.
quit jumping like little bitches playing Halo, I mean.
Right.
Or wait.
Says the guy who jumps like a little bitch playing Halo.
I'm not jumping right now.
I am. Whee!
Oh, how did I not kill him?
Well, see, you didn't hit him with your bullets.
Oh my God. Yeah, get some, bitch. I have to go through the full repertoire of words with the new microphone.
We got to test them out, right?
Yeah, make sure all of the words work.
I am absolutely getting pwned.
So I'm hoping the plosions aren't too bad.
Plosions.
The P's and the B's.
Poker face.
Oh, I got a double,
Poker
almost
face.
a triple. What?
Poker face.
I still can't hear you if I'm not listening.
What?
Just saying. See, that dude's a fairy. He
That
jumps.
was wow.
I got a double.
What?
Double, what? So yeah, these microphones have been a long time in the making.
I hate this game.
Hey, get assassinated there, buddy. Yeah, thanks.
There we go.
How long have you had the mixer now?
Oh,
Like-
like 6 or 8 months or something.
Probably 8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is our first video with it.
I bought it hoping it would work with our Turtle Beach headsets.
Spoiler alert, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't. So it's been sitting in a box on a shelf for 8 months.
Right?
And we just broke it out. So yeah. We got some really sweet arms to put the mics on.
What now?
We got some sweet arms to put them on.
Yep.
We're like professional now.
Sure.
We'll do an update picture on our
Facebook page.
Facebook and maybe Twitter eventually.
Facebook.com/PumaPlow.
That's right. Like our page, you get a cool
right.
point.
You can see our 2 mascots.
Soon to be 3 if I can find it.
Ooh.
Not telling you what it is, but there will be another one.
Right on. Wow.
Did you just end on that? Like,
No, I was right behind you. He killed me, then he killed you.
wow.
Yeah, it's pretty
I've
awesome.
completed like 2 daily challenges so far.
I haven't shot anybody to.
I think it's you know, die a lot. That's a daily challenge.
No, because I'd get that one.
Oh, that's true. But yeah, I'm getting my face owned. It's a serious medical condition.
Is it?
Yeah,
I heard there's an ointment for that.
it probably is. Hey,
Wow, we suck.
we lost again.
How about one more?
Okay.
Hey, John.
Yeah,
Round 3.
go fight. Hey, win.
Sure.
DMR, yay! I like DMRs.
I like turtles.
I still hate this map, but I like DMRs. Does that count?
DMRs or DNRs?
DMR.
Not a do not resuscitate.
I mean, those are okay too.
Eh,
If you're into that kind of thing.
I am. I don't want to be on a machine.
I want to be a robot.
Nah.
Well, maybe.
Nah.
As long as they give me like a cool voice.
Mmm.
I just got a double kill.
Cool story, bro.
I know, right? I just got a killing spree and another double kill.
Wow.
I know. I'm
I haven't-
awesome.
I haven't seen an enemy yet.
I've killed them all.
Oh.
Oh, get some, trucker.
There we go. I got a kill.
Come back here. Come back here. Yeah, I'll just punch you with my, elbow. Punch you with my elbow. You better look out for that.
Ugh.
That was me dying, by the way. In case
Is
you
that what that was?
didn't know.
Okay.
It was like Rooster Teeth or Achievement Hunters heist videos.
Right.
Or once they're dead, they're dead. I love that about those videos.
Yeah. If we did that here, all my videos would be like 5 seconds.
Mike! That'd
Mike, we just started.
That'd be the whole video. Mike!
Uh-huh.
Where are you?
Literally, we just spawned.
That'd be pretty funny, actually. Yeah, get some, bud. Ow, 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 ow. Somebody's shooting me. Ow, he snuck up on me. Little cheeky bastard. Oh, pulled my gun up. Gotcha.
I got an assist for that. Thank you.
Did you really?
From the grave.
Assist from the grave.
Yeah.
Nice.
It didn't call it that. I just called it that.
Oh.
Oh, my God.
It's like when you get a distraction from the grave.
Yeah.
It's like you're already dead. Great.
That's really distracting when you're dead.
It distracts me every time I see a dead person.
Right?
Yeah. Don't generally like to.
Me either.
It's kind of weird. But yeah, anyway. How's our audio sound?
Double what?
I got a headshot.
Sorry.
Yes, I did. Wait, you got a kill?
Double kill.
Holy shit.
I'm dead. That was fun.
Fun while it lasted,
He
right?
snuck up on me.
I got a distraction.
From the grave.
No, I'm still alive.
Oh.
It's just a regular old distraction.
Okay.
Yeah. Where's everybody?
Here, nasty blue team.
Where are you? Come back. Blue team, come back.
I'm starting to turn it on, John.
I want to kick all of your asses. Blue team, come back. Wait, what?
I'm starting to turn it on.
Oh, yeah? You
Better
just
watch
died.
out.
I'll be
Better
watching.
hide your kids and hide your wives.
Because you out here straight pwning everybody.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I just got pwned.
Or, getting pwned, one or the other.
Hey, but we're winning.
We're smoking them.
Hey, die. Thank you, sir. I told him to die, and he did.
That was awfully nice of him.
Yeah. Thank you for dying. You just killed. Get some. Yeah. Oh, snapper doodles. Oh, no. Oh, I
What?
just saved somebody. I saved our teammate.
Wasn't me, thanks.
He was about to get assassinated, and I saved him.
Nice.
That's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, shizer. I got pwned.
Was it a pwn or a straight pwn?
Pwned.
Okay.
Yeah, it happens.
It does. To the best of us.
I just straight murdered that guy.
Hmm.
He didn't even have a chance. I really like playing against guests, by the way.
Yeah.
It makes me happy. Just saying.
Oh!
I assisted you,
Did you?
and then you died.
I snuck up and hit him with a DMR from like 5 feet away.
Nice.
Yeah.
That'll work.
Kind of blew his head off.
Oh. Uh-oh. Was it messy?
No, it all stayed inside his armor.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it's no big deal.
See, that's why we wear the armor.
Right?
Triple kill. Damn, I wanted the overkill.
Go ahead and brag about it.
How disappointing. Why weren't they all four running in a pack together? Oh, you stole that.
Sorry.
I was so going to shoot him.
I had him set up and everything.
That's awesome.
I knew where he was going to be. I anticipated the kill.
Oh, God. There's a guy behind you. Behind you in the building.
Like that?
Did you kill him?
Yep.
Nice.
I saw
Teamwork.
I saw it in my mind's eye and everything.
Wow.
Right?
It's pretty good.
Because you know it's going to work, John.
So can I just edit out those first two videos? Or first two
Apparently.
games?
'Cause we're
Teamwork,
just-
by the way.
We're just straight up going.
We're straight thugging.
Thugs for life with a Y.
Yeah.
Yo.
Maybe a Z in there somewhere, too.
Sure,
I
why not?
don't know where, but just somewhere in there.
Pop up. Pop up. No?
No pop-up. There's so many blue bodies over there. I don't know who to... Oh, I just got assassinated. Oh, that hurt. There were so many blue bodies over there. I didn't know which one to shoot at.
Wow.
First world ponage problems.
Dude, seriously. That's pretty awesome.
Just saying.
Not going to lie.
There were like 4 dead bodies. I was like, I don't know what to shoot at. Oh, my God. I cannot wait
Wow.
to show that second to last
Hey, I got
kill in the game.
a challenge.
Thanks for watching.
That's all right.
Yes.
So that's been our audio test. Please leave feedback with how it sounds. Until
Yes.
next time, we are Mike and John from PumaPlow.com. See ya.
Toodles.